Now, East Africa faces a critical road safety crisis, with high fatality rates and rising accidents involving vulnerable road users. Key factors include speeding, poor vehicle maintenance, inadequate infrastructure, and drunk driving. Speaking during a workshop on road awareness and safety held here in Nairobi, Mukhtar Rehemtulla Omar, the CEO of Roy Group of Companies, said with the 35 years of experience from the transport sector, Kenya still leads, but safety measures need to be taken to avoid further road fatalities. Listen in.
Safety is life. If we are safe in all aspects. We need to continue embracing the safety culture. Safety will be something he will have earned from the effort of all of us who have put in the effort on safety.
Now, for years, the Kenya Medical Training College, KMTC,